Hi, welcome to DerinsCorner again. Today we're going to be looking at how to make Beet Drink. The Beet Drink is going to be made with apples, carrots, beets, and ginger. The first thing you're going to be doing will be to, of course, to wash your fruit thoroughly and just make sure you clean it properly. You're going to scrape the carrots as well as the ginger. You want to scrape the skin to ensure that it's properly clean. This is thoroughly washed. Then you're going to cut them into tiny bits and then place them in the blender. So you're going to cut the carrots, the ginger, the apple, as well as the beets, and then you place it in the Ninja blender. If you're going to be using the single serve container of the Ninja, then you also cut it into tiny bits and just take enough portion for that particular container. Beet has lots of benefits in that it helps lower the blood pressure. It also helps to lower the blood sugars. It gives you a glowing skin. It's a natural way to detox. It gives you a lot of energy, and it also helps in your metabolism. But outside this benefit, you also need to understand that beet could aggravate kidney stones because of the high oxalate content it contains. So you have to be careful, and that's the reason why I'm making this beet juice with carrots and apples to help to counteract that effect. Once you have this in the blender, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water. It depends on the kind of consistency you're looking for. If you want it to be concentrated, then you add less water. If you want it to be more diluted, then you add more water. So I added 2 cups of water in mine, and that actually was at the midpoint of my blender. And then, of course, I'm blending it using the blend button of my Ninja blender. Alternatively, you could use a single serve container to do your blending. Once you finish blending, you're going to put a sieve over your drink receiving container, and then you sieve out the juice from the shaft, and your drink is ready to be served. Just chill it in a refrigerator for some hours, and you're good to go. This drink is very nutritious. It should be taken at least 3 times in a week at 8 ounces per drink. Thank you. If you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so now. And please, if you like this, I want to see more, just click on the like button below. Thank you and have a great day.